lips have been disgustingly dry. It's not even funny. Like, but I'm just using this lip scrub that I got from Dollar Tree. The Be Pure line. Y'all, the Be Pure line from Dollar Tree. They be doing it every time. They be having that stuff in there. And then I'm just taking this lip scrubber. And I'm literally trying to scrub and get my lips soft. I think I'm still sleeping. We had to get up today. It's Saturday, which means cleaning day. You're right. So we have to get up and clean. I have to get up and declutter. I will be traveling back to Jersey. So I definitely want to get my own house together for the new year. Bring in, you know, a clean space and home. You always want to try to do that before the new year. If you're not doing that now, get to it. Freshly moisturized. The lips are now soft. I was going to put on my eye patches, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. So yeah, we're looking half decent. I'm about to go make some matcha and get to cleaning. Matcha do not gotta be this good. Alright, now she should be good. Y'all, look at this plant. This is my peace lily that my husband got me when my grandma passed. And I'm just keeping up with her. And she got so many babies coming in. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm just cutting the ends because when that brown comes in, you just want to get rid of those. But she's looking really good. I repotted her. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. Like, I'm loving this PJ set. A good PJ set, okay? This set is from Five Below. They had like some short onesies, and I lived. I had to pick it up. This is in a size medium, and these slippers are also from Five Below, and it just matched so cute. This headband is actually from the Dollar Tree. It's like so cute and girly, cutesy. But yeah, I had to come and show y'all this. So I got a pack, and yeah, we got a pack. We got to put laundry away. I cleaned the whole house. I'm exhausted, but it'll all be worth it when I come back to a clean house. And yes. If y'all never try this Italicus, you really should. I have some leftover pasta with some salmon and my wine. So yummy. The way I pack is actually hilarious, and you would think that I'm actually getting ready to move back about like all this stuff that I bring. Don't mind all this mess, y'all. This bag looks insane. This hat's so cute, guys. Whatever. So I want, these greens are a little bit too off. This, and I have to bring a shirt to go underneath here. Love that. And then a button up. Got from Old Navy. Got my bag packed. I'm just gonna pack my accessories and shoes. I need another big bag. So I'm just try to make everything compact. And I probably won't even wear all this, but I just want to be safe. Got a couple bags. It's gonna be my accessories bag. Hopefully I don't scuff these. Okay, this might not zip, but can. Let's see. This is all done. Here is the bags. So this is not too bad, but alright, y'all, so I got in some stuff from Fashion Nova. First of all, the shipping took forever. And they delayed it by a couple days. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a trial haul. This first one, I think it's supposed to be like off the shoulder. It is getting caught on my necklace a little bit. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is a size medium. I will have it linked below for you all. It's a cute little going out top. It is a little tight here on the waist, and then like flowy and baggy throughout the body. Said you could do like off the shoulder. That's really cute. This cardigan in the medium as well, and I'm like obsessed with cherries. And this top is super cute. Like I could wear it to work, I could wear it out with jeans, like with this. So I love this top. Super cute. It's comfy. It fits really nice. It has cute detail plus with the cherries. And then I got these boots. So these boots are 7.5. I needed some more boots like these. My other ones were dusty. I just gave them away. So these are not bad. They're a little bit higher than I wanted right here, but they're still cute. And I'm excited for this. Yeah. So this is also in a medium, and I love this coat, y'all. So cute. I just feel like that girl. This jacket. Okay? Can I zip it? Yes. This, oh, be careful. The fur. This reminds me of my dog's dad. Like he had this this is so cute. This, I didn't realize it had like black detail here, but like even this outfit, like, and it fits really good. I feel like I'm about to go out of town. Like I wonder if I could tuck the black in if I don't want it to show, you know, but it's not bad. I love this. It's given. But yeah, I got this during Black Friday. I don't know if I mentioned that. So these are like half off. And I also got a brown coat coming. It's a shorter one with a hood. Oh, these latch on. It's still okay that it latches. This is just a long black furry one. This is always needed. I'll show you how long it goes. Like, I need my furs, but it's so funny. I seen this girl's TikTok and she was like, I can't wear my furs in my small little town, and that's how I feel. But I'm going to Jersey, so I will be wearing the white one. I don't know if I'm gonna take this one, but that is my mini haul. Y'all, we're on our way to Dirty Jersey. I'm so happy. I could not find my black glasses, so I had to wear my fashion glasses. Yeah, I'm annoyed about that. My husband is over there pumping the gas. Look, he don't even know I'm recording him. That's the funny part. We had to stop and get some gas. Because, yeah, I need gas. And I have to put some air on my tires because the air dropped. And yeah, that's so annoying. I hate when it happens. But yeah, now I'm on my way to Jersey. We got about like a 3-hour and 30-minute drive. But yeah, time to go and travel. Jersey!
In the clouds.